Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Map address in your WordPress website. So that's my website here. Now I'm going to use here Google Map address in this section. Okay, so click on Edit with Elementor. Now scroll down and add here one row. And now we are going to use here, click on plus sign and search for map. And drag and drop this map here like this. Now click on this map and you will see here location option. So just remove this location and type your location like CCD London like this. And if you can see, if I'm going to use here my company name like Minso like this. Okay, so that's very easy way to use the map, and you can zoom out and zoom in your map also. So these are 10, so I'm going to use here 15. So you will see that's the zoom here, and now I'm going to use the height also. So this height is something 500. It's look great. Now click on update, and now I'm going to see my page how it's look. Open my website in new page. Open your website in new tab and scroll down and you will see here is a map. And if you want to display your map in a full width, so what we do, that's very simple. You have to add one row, okay, like this, and you have to select this content width should be full width like this, okay. And now click on plus sign and add on here one map like this, and change your address according to your requirement and just click on update and go to your website and just refresh it. So here you can see that's the full width map, and that one is boxed map. So that's very easy way to implement the map in your website with Elementor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.